Merry Christmas, guys! We're back at you with a brand new video. Today we're gonna go pick up a honey baked ham and some Christmas lights. We're gonna be putting 1,200 Christmas lights on the bikes combined. Alright guys, so I'm super pumped for this. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm hoping for the best turnout. So that means we're gonna be putting stuff on the wheels, the forks, everything you can think of. We probably are going to put lights on that part of the bike. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
Jeremiah's working on his. I got my wheels done. I did white on my wheels. I'm doing colored lights on the forks. What color are you doing? What are you doing? Tell us what you're doing.
I'm going to do all white to the wheels as well. And I'm going to do basically the same exact setup.
Same as that?
Yeah.
Gonna look pretty cool. They're gonna look pretty cool.
So right now, I'm wrapping the forks. Once I get finished with the forks, well, I just did get finished. I'm gonna wrap the bars, and then after the bars, I'm gonna go back down this fork, and then I'm gonna start moving on to like the front fender and the number plate, as well as the rear fender, and more stuff back that way. I'll see what I'll do and figure it out when I get there. But well, guys, we just got finished with both the bikes. I finished mine, my dad finished his, and I'm really excited to see how these turn out. So for the moment y'all have been waiting for, here is Christmas light bikes. That's gonna do it for this video. We had a lot of fun making this, and we also had a lot of fun putting Christmas lights on the bike. There was 1,200 Christmas lights on both bikes combined. So that's really cool. I wish I could have seen what the people were thinking when they seen us with the bikes out with Christmas lights on them. It was just a cool experience overall, and I'm glad we did it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.